This is Potensic Atom, and in today's video I'll show how you can add or remove the GPS metadata to or from your recordings in this drone. So in the beginning you will need to open the camera view of the Potensic Pro app, then launch settings. Here to your left select the camera section, scroll this page all the way down, and the final or the last option that you'll see says add GPS coordinates to photos metadata, which you can switch on if you would like to save the location information inside your pictures that you shoot, or if you do not want to do that, simply disable this function. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.